Setting up a new 32.5 gallon Fiji Cube Reef tank, pro tips and tricks. Setting up a new reef tank can be an exciting but daunting task. With the right guidance, you can create a thriving underwater ecosystem that will bring joy and beauty to your home. In this video, we will explore the essential steps and pro tips for setting up your 32.5 gallon Fiji Cube Reef tank, ensuring a successful and rewarding experience. Choosing the perfect spot for your reef tank is crucial. The location should be sturdy and able to support the weight of the filled tank, which can be substantial. Ensure the area is away from direct sunlight to prevent unwanted algae growth and temperature fluctuations. Additionally, consider accessibility for maintenance and the tank's visibility to enjoy your aquatic display fully. The Fiji Cube 32.5 gallon reef tank is renowned for its sleek design and high-quality construction. It features an integrated filtration system and a clear front panel for optimal viewing. The tank's dimensions are perfect for creating a diverse reef environment without taking up too much space. Before diving into the setup, gather all the necessary equipment. Here's a list of essentials: protein skimmer, heater, power heads or wave makers, lighting system, thermometer, hydrometer or refractometer, test kits for ammonia, nitrite, nitrate, pH and salinity. Brands like Aquamax, Fluval and Kessel are highly recommended for their reliability and performance. Start by thoroughly cleaning your tank with fresh water. Avoid using soap or detergents, as they can be harmful to marine life. Inspect the tank for any cracks or defects. Once cleaned, place the tank on its stand, ensuring it is level and secure. A good filtration system is vital for maintaining water quality. The Fiji Cube tank often comes with a built-in filtration system, but you may need to add additional equipment like a protein skimmer. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation, ensuring all components are securely connected. The substrate forms the base of your reef tank. Carib Sea live sand is a popular choice due to its calcium-rich and specially selected marine bacteria. No need to rinse the sand, and make sure to put all of it in the tank, including the water. Spread it evenly across the bottom, aiming for a depth of around 1–2 inches. Now you have the choice of either adding the rock first to make sure that is stable on the bottom if you have sand sifter fish or invertebrates, or plan to add them eventually. Or you can place your rock on top of the sand and gently push the rock into the sand. Use RODI, reverse osmosis, deionized water to fill your tank, as it is free from impurities that could harm your reef inhabitants. Slowly pour the salt water to avoid disturbing the substrate, or I use the bag. The sand came in to disperse the water, not to disturb the sand. This point in the process, add your heat to be sure it's set to 80 to 84 degrees, and salinity of salt water is at 1.018, as it helps the bacteria colonize faster. Important to note that once your cycle is completed, you can change the salinity to 1.026 and heat down to 78 degrees or your desired settings. Proper lighting is essential for coral growth and overall tank health. LED lights are a popular choice due to their energy efficiency and customizable settings. On this tank, we will be using the Kessel Tuna Blue A80 LED light with mini gooseneck. Install the lights according to the manufacturer's instructions, positioning them to cover the entire tank evenly. Cycling the tank is a critical step that establishes the beneficial bacteria needed to break down waste. This process can take several weeks. You can cycle the tank using live rock or a fishless cycling method. Regularly test the water parameters to monitor the progress and ensure ammonia and nitrite levels drop to zero. I have chosen to go with the fishless cycling method on this tank with the live sand. Currently, we are on day 7 in the cycling process and have 2 ppm ammonia, so the cycling process is still underway. Once your tank is cycled, begin with hardy coral species like zoanthids and mushroom corals, which are more forgiving to beginners. Invertebrates like snails and hermit crabs are excellent for controlling algae and detritus. Acclimate new additions slowly to prevent shock from sudden changes in water parameters. We recommend going with a hardy species like clownfish to start in your tank. Choose reef-safe fish species that are compatible with each other and your tank size. Clownfish, gobies and blennies are popular choices. Acclimate fish by floating their bag in the tank water to equalize temperature. Then gradually mix tank water with bag water over an hour. Regular maintenance is key to a healthy reef tank. Perform weekly water changes of about 10–20% to remove accumulated waste and replenish essential minerals. Test water parameters frequently and adjust as needed to maintain optimal conditions. Even with the best preparation, issues can arise. Common problems include algae blooms, fluctuating water parameters, and pest outbreaks. Identify the problem early and take corrective action. Online forums and local aquarium clubs can be valuable resources for troubleshooting. Setting up a 32.5-gallon Fiji Cube reef tank is a rewarding journey that brings a piece of the ocean into your home. By following these steps and pro tips, you'll create a thriving, beautiful reef environment that will be the envy of every aquarist. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and come see the update of the Fiji Cube reef tank as we continue the journey.